Stop throwing away your avocado seeds. Here's how you can turn them into a natural hair growth spray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can use your avocado seeds and turn them into a natural hairspray that may help nourish your scalp and support healthy hair instead of throwing them away. The things we need for this hairspray is avocado seed, water, and your essential oil. So once you're done using your avocado, you want to remove the outer layer of the avocado seeds, which is what I am currently doing. But before I removed it, I allowed it to dry for about a few days, but if you can take it outside in the sun, you should also do that for a couple of hours. Some of you might be wondering why avocado seeds. This is because they contain antioxidant plant compounds, beneficial fatty acids that may help nourish the scalp, help protect your hair follicles from oxidative damage, and create a healthier environment for your hair to grow. In layman terms, what am I actually saying for those that don't really understand? If you keep using the avocado seed spray, it will nourish your scalp, reduce breakage, decrease shedding, support healthier hair, and promote a healthier environment for your hair to grow. Now let's move on to the second step, which will be to grate or finely shred the seeds into smaller pieces. You don't have to use so much as I did. The only reason why I am using this much avocado seeds is because I am planning to make avocado seed oil and avocado seed spray. But if you are just trying this for the first time, you can go ahead and use only one avocado seed. Another method to also get this avocado seed into smaller pieces is using a knife, and we know that that method would take much more longer. But the reason why we shred the seed is because we want to increase the surface area, which will help release more beneficial compounds. Now we're going to talk about some truth and myth about avocado seeds. Avocado seeds block DHT. That's not proven. Secondly, it makes your hair grow faster. Not proven. It can help moisturize your hair. Possibly. It prevents hair breakage. Possibly. Avocado seed contains antioxidants. That is supported. It makes your hair thicker. That's not proven. It can help you retain length. Possibly. It cures baldness. Not supported. In summary, what I can actually tell you guys about avocado seed oil is that yes, it contains antioxidants that help protect your hair follicles from damage, and it is true that some people that have used avocado seed or spray for a long time have reported that they noticed reduced shedding and breakage after consistently using it. Keyword consistently. So let's keep that in mind. So after shredding my avocado seed, I am now going to put it in a mason jar and add the amount of water that I need to add and let it infuse. Now for this part, it's a little tricky. We don't let it infuse for a long period of time, right? We only let it infuse for a couple hours because we do not want it to go bad. After straining the mixture, go ahead and pour it into your spray bottle, add your essential oil, and it's ready to use. You can use this after washing your hair, spray directly onto your scalp. Use it as a leave-in spray or your tea rinse, massage it into your scalp for a few minutes, and continue with your normal hair care routine. We have come to the end of today's video. Remember, natural remedies can support healthy hair care, but consistency is key. Pair this spray with a healthy diet and a good hair care routine for the best results. See you in my next video. Bye!